Have you ever dreamed of waking up to the smell of freshly baked bread or mastering artisan loaves without the hassle? Today, we're going to check 5 bread makers to help you find the one that brings homemade baking to your kitchen. From classic white bread to gluten-free artisan or even jams and cakes, I've rounded up the machines that truly rise to the occasion. We'll dive into what counts: real baking performance, user-friendly features, and honest value, so you don't waste time or dough. Stick around to discover which one deserves a spot in your kitchen. First up, the OSIPOTO 2LB Bread Maker is a beginner-friendly machine designed for hassle-free baking. It offers a 2-pound loaf capacity, ideal for families of 4 to 6, and features 17 preset programs, including basics like rice bread, as well as pizza dough, cake, jam, and yogurt options. The stainless steel exterior gives it a sleek look, and since the bread pan is non-stick, it provides easy cleanup. The panel is intuitive with large buttons and a digital display, with a 15-hour delay timer for overnight baking and a 1-hour keep warm function to maintain bread temperature after baking. It has 600 watts power output and is marketed as having a low-noise motor, although some users have reported that the machine can still be relatively noisy. This bread maker is often praised for its consistent results, especially for basic recipes like white or whole wheat bread, producing fluffy loaves with a well-crusted finish. The delay timer is particularly popular for those who enjoy waking up to freshly baked bread. It is important to remove the kneading paddle from the underside of the loaf after baking and to avoid using metal utensils, which can damage the non-stick coating, so hand wash the basket to prevent scratching. For the best baking outcomes, precise measurement of ingredients is essential, as the machine is sensitive to incorrect ratios. If you're starting out or want a budget-friendly all-rounder, this machine is a great fit. Next, the Cuisinart Automatic Bread Maker, a compact bread maker built for small kitchens. It bakes up to 2-pound loaves and offers 12 recipe options, 3 crust colors, and 3 loaf sizes. Its vertical design measures 13 inches, saving counter space, and the stainless steel finish looks modern. The machine has a viewing window, interior light, and removable non-stick pan and kneading paddle for easy cleaning. You can choose 3 crust shades: light, medium, or dark, and a 13-hour delay timer lets you plan ahead. It's efficient, and users love its consistent baking, producing evenly textured loaves with uniform crusts, especially for white and French bread. Reviews highlight its ease of use, with the intuitive buttons and clear display making it foolproof for beginners. The compact size is a big plus for apartments, and the gluten-free setting works well for dietary needs. However, some users report the kneading paddle occasionally sticks in the loaf, leaving a hole, and the machine can shake during heavy kneading, so it needs a stable surface. The Cuisinart is a reliable pick for small spaces and simple baking needs. Its compact design and consistent results make it great for beginners or casual bakers, especially those with dietary restrictions. If you want a space-saving machine for everyday loaves, this is a strong contender. If you're an advanced baker or need more programs, you might look elsewhere. The KBS 17-in-1 bread machine is a versatile bread maker with a 2-pound loaf capacity, perfect for families. It boasts 17 programs, covering gluten-free, sweetbread, milky loaf, and non-bread options like yogurt and jam. It also has a stainless steel body, and it features a non-stick ceramic pan, digital touch panel, and an automatic fruit and nut dispenser for adding ingredients mid-cycle. With 710 watts of power, it offers 3 loaf sizes: 1, 1.5, and 2 pounds, 3 crust shades, a 15-hour delay timer, and a 1-hour keep warm function. Even baking is guaranteed, with dual heaters ensuring consistent texture and crust, especially for dense breads. The ceramic pan is easy to clean and resists sticking better than standard non-stick. However, some users note the interface can be confusing at first, with too many options, and the machine is heavy at 14.7 pounds, making it less portable. To optimize performance, follow the recipe book for mix-in timing and avoid abrasive scrubbers on the pan. This KBS is a feature-packed option for versatile bakers who want control over their loaves. The dispenser and ceramic pan are big wins for recipes with add-ins, and it handles specialty breads well. But the complex interface and weight can be drawbacks, and durability concerns linger. If you're a confident baker wanting flexibility, this machine delivers. If you're a beginner or want something lightweight, it might overwhelm. The Zojirushi Virtuoso Plus is a premium bread maker for serious bakers. It bakes 2-pound loaves and offers 15 programs, including gluten-free, vegan, and multi-grain. The stainless steel body measures 9 by 13 by 12 inches, with a horizontal pan for traditional loaf shapes. Dual kneading blades and heaters ensure thorough mixing and even baking. It has a 13-hour delay timer, 3 crust shades, and a rapid cycle for faster loaves. Users rave about its professional quality results, with perfectly risen, evenly baked loaves, especially for challenging breads like sourdough or whole grain. It is often called the gold standard for its customizable settings and durability. The dual blades handle heavy doughs without strain, and the pan's non-stick coating is top-notch. However, it's bulky and heavy at 24 pounds, taking up significant space, and some users find the learning curve steep due to the advanced settings. The beep alerts are loud, which can annoy in quiet homes. And of course, this one is the pricier. The Zojirushi is a top-tier machine for dedicated bakers who want bakery-quality loaves. Its durability and customization options are unmatched, making it ideal for enthusiasts. But the size, weight, and complexity can be overkill for casual users. If you're serious about bread making and have space, this is your dream machine. If you're a beginner or short on counter space, simpler models are enough. Last up, we have the Neretva 3.3 lb bread maker, a robust choice for bread enthusiasts. It bakes 2.2, 2.76, or 3.3 pounds loaves, one of the largest capacities available, and offers 15 programs controlled by a dial and digital display. It got a double-layer viewing window at the top, 800 watts motor with dual heating elements to ensure even baking, while dual kneading paddles handle heavy doughs effectively. Features include a 15-hour delay timer, a 1-hour keep warm function, 10-minute power interruption recovery, and an automatic nut dispenser for mix-ins like nuts or dried fruit. It offers 3 crust shades: light, medium, and dark. Accessories include measuring cups, a paddle hook, 2 kneading paddles, and a heat-resistant glove. The ceramic pan's easy release and the dispenser's convenience are highlights, though sticky mix-ins may require manual addition. However, it's bulky at 8.3 pounds and requires significant counter space, which may challenge small kitchens. The Neretva is a top pick for those needing large, bakery-quality loaves with versatile programs. Its massive capacity, quiet motor, and ceramic pan shine for big households or frequent bakers. But the size and dispenser quirks annoy casual users. Some users report the nut dispenser jamming with sticky ingredients. If you're baking for a crowd and have space, this machine excels. That's the list. 5 bread makers ranked to help you find the best value for your kitchen needs. Found your match? Check the description for more details. If you have opinions on these, drop them in the comments. And if you know someone searching for a bread maker, send this video to them. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this, subscribe for more reviews, and I'll see you next time.